In this video, I'll show you how to send someone your Cash App tag. Let's say somebody wants to send you money. You'll need to give them your Cash tag. The Cash tag is how people can send you money directly through Cash App. Now, if your friend says, "Give me your Cash tag," but you don't know where to find it, don't worry. I'll show you exactly how. Open Cash App and look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture icon. Tap on it, and it will bring you to your account page. Right here, you'll see two things: your username and your cash tag. The one with the dollar symbol in front of it is your cash tag. That's the one you need to give to your friend. Don't confuse it with your username. Usernames won't work for receiving money. For example, if my cash tag shows up as $ the stuff, then that's the exact tag I would share with someone who wants to send me money. Once they have it, they can type it into Cash App and send funds directly to me. So that's all it takes to send someone your Cash App tag. By the way, if you want an easier and cheaper alternative to Cash App, I recommend Wise. I use it myself. Wise offers consistently lower fees, better exchange rates, and even a free debit card you can use online or in person worldwide. Right now, if you sign up with the link in the description, your first transfer, up to $800, is free. It only takes a few minutes to set up your free account.